Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready for what's next? So now we're going to. I've got everything kind of set up here, and what we're going to do is we're going to add the dashboard stuff. So the dashboard is going to query the database, and it's going to print out contents of the database. So perhaps where we should start is let's load some dummy content into our MySQL database. So we'll go to MySQL Workbench, and I think that before I even get into, because I started going here and I started asking, I was like, hey, let's let's build out the back end, but I think that's kind of putting the cart before the horse. So let's go in here, and I'm gonna have to say to it, I'm gonna say, first I want to load some dummy content into my database. The database is going to hold this in a table called deals, and the columns in that database are going to be as follows. And let's think, we have ID, and then we're going to have address, zip code, city, state, country, maybe do county, and then we can also have name, maybe that lowercase name. And then this is kind of where this project works a little bit better, is that I wanted to have industry-specific criteria or spaces for criteria for the project. So we're going to have cap rate. We're going to have square feet, our building square feet, total project size. We're going to have annual taxes. We're going to have units, climate controlled, units, non-climate controlled, parking spaces. We're gonna have gross revenue. Occupancy rate. What else? We're gonna have accounts delinquent. Yeah, I think that's enough to start off with. That's gonna be pretty big. So first I want to load some dummy content. The database is gonna hold entails create two SQL statements. One to create the table in my database, and the other to load 10 pieces of dummy content. Okay, so we're gonna create these. Varchar, decimal, and decimal. Yeah, easy enough. Primary key is ID. And then insert 10 rows. Okay. Man, it just makes it all. There's just so much like legwork that ChatGPT takes out of this. Unreal. Just taking a second to populate all this, but gosh, I hate loading dummy content because It's just so much like it's tedious, specific work where it can just go wrong so quickly. And hit that subscribe button. If you're on number 7 here, I applaud you. If you watched every part of this video, that's kind of wild. I don't know what's wrong with you. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. No, this is good stuff, man. It's good stuff. I want to see how we can take this. I want to be a power user. Okay. I mean, that's not 10. Maybe this is enough. And, you know, I'll copy this, and I'm going to say, can you reprint just the insert into deals data? Print it separately. Maybe I hope this works. Yeah. I see. There's some problem, and there always is, man. You have to like using ChatGPT is the new art in my estimation. Okay, let's see if this works. Error code. Okay, so I'm gonna say use. Man, I have forgotten. I think this is how that works. Not a great. All right, I guess that is how it works. And yay, 0 rows. So we've created this table. Now this is printing out while we do that. Otherton, 7th town, any town, 4th town, 5th town. How creative. Hold on a second. I'm going to check my phone like a... Alright. It's like I'm the worst YouTuber on earth. I'm checking my phone. Alright. Let us pray. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That looks good. 10 rows affected. Okay, now can you give me an SQL statement to print all that data out to console so I can confirm it's there? Sure. Select star from deals. Fair enough. That's not the way that works. Alright, and there's the data. Fantastic. Everything looks good. Cap rates. It even has like pretty accurate cap rates. That's great. Alright, so I'm going to cut this video here. That's us loading the dummy data into this project. The next is, the next one I'm going to ask it to query this data and put that into the back end.